No, no, I haven't spoken a word so far for the last 40 minutes. And let it not happen again, please. What?
Sorry, go ahead.
Can
Go
you
ahead.
hear
Go
me?
ahead. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. What? See,
Yes,
I
we can.
mean,
Please go ahead.
the fact of the matter is that you have to decide. The fact of the matter is that you have to decide, the country has to decide whether the Chinese objectives are tactical, operational, or strategic. In this case, I suppose that it is strategic. So if it is strategic at the backdrop of so many things, 370, carving out this union territory, consolidating your far-flung areas, about Ambassador Stobden also has it. If it is a strategic, then you have to respond in a strategic way. And what is as per me, it is to dissuade you to getting into any strategic alliance with the United States. Well, we never stopped the Chinese in 1972 when Nixon reached out to Mao Zedong. There is a convergence of interest both in the mountains and in the seas. Both have got linked together. So we cannot assume that it is a fait accompli situation as far as China is concerned. Therefore, if you use the word that no peaceful resolution, the word resolution in this case is absolutely wrong. The correct thing would say that somebody said also that I hope the Chinese see reason and they exercise their wisdom. It is not a fait accompli situation. And by the way, why is everybody shying off talking about the biological warfare that has been unleashed? And under that biological warfare, your operational alerts that my battalion was there in Darbuk. We used to carry out our operational alert in this period of time. It got delayed because of the biological warfare. We should have the guts to say that the first time in the history of the world, this biological warfare on this scale has been unleashed by China. Please call spade a spade. If South China Sea is important to USA, it is also important to you. Your ships are also going to pass through the same sea lanes of communication. So I've heard enough, politicians coming and saying that you should be very careful not to be seen in the American lap, in whose lap we go. It is very much our business.
Yeah, strong point being made there by RSN. Let me go across to Ambassador Stobden once again before I go across to Saurabh Shukla as well. I'll bring in Saurabh Shukla next. Ambassador Stobden, I wanted to ask you that point on, since this morning we've been talking about, of course, it's not just about the LAC. Of course, we all know that. We all know it's not just about China's expansionist, tendencies, but it's also to do with a lot with economy. It's got a lot to do with trade. It's got a lot to do with, us helping America, getting America's praise, and America trying to expand the G7. And this is one question that we've been asking all diplomats who join us. What, in your view, is China's strategy, and what do you think, or rather, how do you see India tackling this issue with China, and not just at the LAC?
I think the strategic response, or the reasons that people are talking about, is that the world is going through a transition period, especially after this COVID-19. That again we see a polarization of the world between China and the United States. This time, two poles are coming up, and perhaps the strategy lies in our diplomacy is to balance these two relationships. I think if it is that India is moving towards the United States, it's not that India is going to just become a friend of United States. It's important to balance. After all, we are also not against China. Nobody hates China. The Chinese also don't hate Indians. It is just that Chinese domination cannot be tolerated. It's about balance of power. It's a balance of interest. We are all seeking interest. So therefore, I think in the larger context, when the world is getting divided again, we are also facing some challenges in balancing the two major problems. Obviously, there was a war starting with the trade war between the United States and China. Then the COVID-19 has further sharpened the conflict. And then somewhere, perhaps, I don't know whether we have come into the crossfire, but certainly it's important for us to deal with it. United States is very far off. We are sitting there right now at Galwan Valley or wherever they are. We are dealing with the Chinese. We cannot compromise on our territory. But open conflict with China is also not desirable at the moment. It has to be a controlled conflict, calculated and well calibrated sort of a confrontation, and so that situation do not, in fact today General Harinder Singh would be putting up 2 or 3 important points at the table to the Chinese. It is all more about maintaining the status quo as it was in the April. And number 2, the Chinese cannot raise objection to the road construction on our side. Number 3, some of the protocol of the patrolling or the border management has been violated by their side. Chinese have been coming with, whenever there is a face-off, there are protocols, how to deal with the situation. And now these people are coming to, some primitive methodology, putting nails on the rod and hitting our soldiers. That's not acceptable. That's not there in the agreement. Fourthly, suddenly they have mobilized some 5,000 troops from somewhere, either from Xinjiang or from Tibet, into our border. That bridges the trust. This is not a hot border. This is a line of actual control. We have a lot of EPMs. Peace and tranquility is maintained for many, many years. So if the Chinese side wants to convert this into a hot border, then I think our response has to be very, very adequate. Otherwise, things can go wrong. I'm sure. And yesterday, when the AMI have put out a statement, they laid down the diplomatic work. And mind you, they did not talk only about this border situation. They also talk about WHO. They also talked about the celebration of the 70th anniversary of our diplomatic relationship. A lot of issues have been discussed. So that the talks are not about the border tension. The talks are far more bigger and under the direction of two leadership.
Ambassador.
So it's very clear.